Hello everybody, Richard R. Blaster here. Hope you can hear me okay. Yay, right. This is the moment you've been waiting for. As you can see, over here, can't see me at the moment. Now you can, over here, here's the coffee machine I purchased the other day. So, let's get into the unboxing. Not much room over here, but we'll make it do. Open it up like that. So there we go. Here are the instructions for it. There you go. We'll have to put them in the sink drain. Even though the sink drain is probably a bit wet, but never mind. There we are, that's for registering the machine. You get £10 or €12 off. So there you go. I've got 1 year to do that in, which is awesome. Right, okay, so here we go. These are, I believe, there you go, complimentary capsules for it. There you go. I don't know what's actually in it because I don't actually say what's in it, as we say. So here we go. I believe, yeah, that's the tray for it. Now we get rid of these 2 pieces of polystyrene. You can see inside this piece of poly. Look at that nice little red plug. With a little bit of polystyrene, just get rid of the polystyrene on that. You go with the other piece of polystyrene on there. And this is the fun part. There we go. There's a little bag it goes in. Right, now let's try and lift this out without doing any damage. Ah, there we go. I just lift it out like that, and there it is, out of the box. I don't think there's anything else in that box now, so we'll just get rid of the box over there. There you go. There's the machine itself. Take. That's quite a big tank for it, that is. So we just lift it out like that and take the plastic bag off it. Put that over there, and obviously we put that down there, that sucks up the water by the looks of it. And there we go. It's hot and cold, so you can have a hot drink, leave it that way, back to that hot. There you go. And that's basically the unboxing of the coffee maker. So what we'll do, we'll get the plate out. Trying to think the way you put this in. Obviously there's a lip or something there like that. And somehow, yeah, see how you do that, because for each mug you do it different sizes. So there you go, and there's the unboxing of the coffee machine. There you go. Rips. We lift that out, and there we go. There is the unboxing of the coffee machine. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.